So you can earn $200 per day as a complete beginner doing little to absolutely no work. So I'm going to share with you how you can bank and bring this money into your bank account or in your PayPal account or things like that. So as you can see right here, there's like 235, there's 217, 227, up to $3,000. That the method that I'm going to share with you in this video, you could do it if you have no clue. So this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, drop shipping, trying to sell stuff on Amazon, anything like that. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I don't want you to miss out on all this type of money that you can make as a complete beginner, someone with zero to no experience. And the good thing about this, you don't have to worry about being tech savvy as well, because I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything where you can start bringing in this type of money right away. So let's go straight into the video. Again, subscribe to the YouTube channel, give some love, and drop a comment down below exactly where you're watching this video from, so that way I can know. So we're going to go straight into it. As you can see, I already type here rough seas. Now, the reason why I want to show you this is because people are making this type of money consistently over and over again, $200 a day or more, using what I'm going to share with you. So if you see down here, there's ships in storms, there's 10 plus terrified monster waves, and there's hurricanes, and there's thunderstorms and all that. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because what people are so much interested in on YouTube, people want to find something that is very entertaining, and I don't know why. They like to find stuff that's viral. So this video is about 8 million people has watched this video in over a year. So I'm shooting this video in 2021. This, as you can see, over a year, 8 million people watch this. So this person, what they did was they compiled videos on YouTube and they monetize their YouTube channel, and what they do, they start making money. So don't worry about you have to do any editing. You don't need to shoot videos and where you're going to get these clips from. You don't even have to get clips to do this, because I'm going to show you how you can even use still shots and pictures and photos and be able to crush it with this. So this channel is doing off pretty well. And not only ships, but you can also do, let's say, cats. So type in cats. You can type in top 10. So you can put in top 10 cats. Oops. So see, there you go. Top 10 cats. Look at this. This has been around since 2015, but it's 2.7 million views. So these are attractive, and you can even put police chase, right? Police chase. You can find police chase as well. You could grab these pictures. You could grab these, not the videos, but you could grab the pictures. Now, the reason why I'm doing this, because if you have no idea of how to come up with top 10 things, this next website that I'm going to share with you, you can also go over to this website. This website is called Listverse.com. And on Listverse, right, you can find top 10s of a lot of things. Top 10 worst characters from the 80s, top 10 reasons to believe the Wuhan viral lab. It's all about the corona. Top 10 richest kids in the world. Top 10, top 10. You can find a lot of things. So you can click on here and you can find creepy stuff. You can find mystery stuff. You can find weird stuff. If you click on all bizarres, you can find tons of different things. So listverse.com is a website that shares a lot of top 10s. And you could go into the entertainment, you could go gaming. So there's so many different niche that you could tap into. So let's say if you go to gaming, right? Top 10 board games, top 10 reasons to believe, top 10 richest children in the world, top 10 chess wins that go. So you could click on this particular article. As you can see, I'm just giving you some ideas. So there are pictures, there are videos, and you can get the videos, and you could screenshot the pictures out of these videos, so you could capture them by screenshotting them. And then once you screenshot them and you get all of these different things, you could do what we call a voiceover. Now, if you go back to these police chase, some of these police chase, yes, they're videos, but some of them are just still shots. You can even put top 10 worst car accident. I can even put that up. Look at these things. See that? Top 10, top 10. So this has been like 2 weeks, and this is a compilation of the ultimate crash. And people just upload these videos time and time again because they can make money by the time they monetize. So as I said, this is not about video. So once you collect these pictures and you also want to get a voiceover, you could highlight this entire thing. And when you highlight it, copy some stuff. You could copy this as well. Copy that. You could copy this, right? You could copy this. You could just copy the headlines, and you could just screenshot not this, but play it and then screenshot the picture, and then you can go over to this particular website. Now, the website that I'm talking about is called InVideo.com. So you could go to InVideo.com. You can create an account. And then once you create an account, let me just go to InVideo, not InVideo.com. I apologize. So not InVideo.com, but InVideo.io. So once you go to InVideo.io, you can create a free membership. Once you create a free membership, you could do pre-made, you could do text to video, you could do blank canvas, you could start from scratch. You can go over here and you could see different categories that you could choose from, right? These are like purchases, favorites, projects. If you want to upgrade from the free membership, you could do that as well. And it's $15 a month if you just want to do the paid membership. But if you're just starting off, I highly recommend you do it for free. So for this, you want to do text to video. If you want to do voiceover, because it's YouTube, so you definitely want to add a little bit of voiceover. So once you copy these text and you want to do the voiceover, you could choose, of course, the wide angle. You want to choose the wide angle. And these are some different formats that you could choose from. Let me just pick one from here. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. Once I pick this one and I go here, I'll just click on use this template. And when I click on use this template, now I can put the headline here. I can put top 10 worst accidents in 2021. You could do 2021, or you could say worst accident in history, right? You just gotta be creative and all that. So once you grab those pictures, you can add the drag the pictures down here, drag all the pictures, put the pictures in here. You can add URL, but you definitely don't want any URL. And then you can just add a story if you want to grab like this entire thing here. So if you want to copy this, you want to head on over to Spinbot. You know me already, I love Spinbot. You can just paste it right here. Click on I'm not a robot. Click on go. And Spinbot is going to recalculate or retype the words for you. Once you retype everything and you scroll down here, of course you want to make sure that you check everything, because this is a bot. This is not human. So of course they will make mistakes and errors. So just go through it, read through it, see if it does make sense. And then once you do that, you could just copy this entire thing. Once you copy it, you can head back over to InVideo.io, paste it on here, and then you can click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to say, hey, that's too much text for one scene, right? There you go. I could say continue anyways. But if it's too much text for one scene, you could just take this out, right? Take this out, and then all you have to do is you could just copy this. Top 10, go back over here, add it there, see if it's gonna work. All right, it went through because it's just a short little sentence. So that's it. But I hope you get the idea. So all you got to do is just load it on here. So you can add pictures. You can also get pictures from, see, I put top 10 worst accidents, and they're already getting some images from probably things that they had in the past that has shown accidents. So you can click on where, let's see, wait. Let's click on preview. So we'll click on preview just to see what it looks like. Look at that. Top 10 worst accidents in history. You got to understand, you don't have to get clips. You don't have to get a bunch of videos. You can get these, you can get all of these, get pictures, go on Google, find accidents and things that you could find online and the worst accidents ever, and just throw them all together. And when you throw them all together, then what you could do, you could also do, as I said, you could do like the voiceover. So if you want to put your voice on there, feel free to do that. If you want the program to do it for you, you can also add voice. You can add music if you want. You could just add music without even voiceover, because if you have good music, royalty-free music, you could do that, because people will sit through this and they will watch the entire thing. So this is how you can earn $200 a day as a complete beginner, and it's an easy way how you can make money. Now, of course, you're not going to upload 2 videos and you're going to make money right away, because I know most of you, well, Andre, I tried this for a week and I didn't make money. This is not a job. This is entrepreneurship. So you have to put in the work. Sometimes it will take you an entire year before you start making $10,000 a month. Sometimes it will take you 2 years before you start making $200 a day. Remain consistent. What your next 2 years are going to look like. That's what you need to focus on. Not right now. Yeah, I do understand some of you need money right now, but if you plan for the next 2 years, you never go broke again. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget, like, subscribe, become a part of the channel. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.